Hello guys and welcome to my channel. This is BTC Ninja coming to you from the BTC Ninja cave. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin. I decided to go live today instead of making a video. Um, um, just don't forget to follow me on Twitter. I've been noticing that I've been gaining followers since I started my YouTube channel. That's good to see. Today we're going to talk about the Bitcoin chart. We're going to talk about the weekly, the daily, and the 4-hour. We're going to talk about the CME close on Friday. We're going to talk about the entities net growth in Bitcoin. We're going to talk about the stablecoin ratio. We're going to talk about the RSI on the daily. So there's a lot of information that I want to go through. Let's start off with the 4-hour. So 4-hour broke out of the channel, the downward channel. It has closed above the 4-hour 200 EMA and 200 MA. That's the moving averages. On the daily, we broke out of the falling wedge, and my target for the falling wedge is around 46,500. We also close about the 20 and the 21 EMA on the daily. Those are always good to close above it. The weekly, as I've been stating in my past videos, the weekly we haven't closed below the 618, and then that's another wick below the 618. But it seems that we're gonna close above the 618. Last week we closed at 31.7, which is still above the 31.3 level. Therefore, there's strong support, a lot of buying demand once we go below the 618, and once we get in this blue box territory. On the daily, it's more visible. We have tested this blue box 4 times. So here's 1, 2, 3, and then 4. There's a lot of buying demand once we get in those price range, which is around the 28,000 to the 30,000 level. So as I've been stating in previous videos, as long as we maintain closing the weekly candles above the 618, I think we are in good shape. So let's see how the weekly candle closes. It closes in a day and 2 hours. So I have no doubt that we're going to close above 31.3. Let's talk about the CME, as the CME actually closed at around 32,270, which means that there's going to be a gap if we close above 33,000 level. If we open around 33,000 on Sunday at 3 p.m. Pacific time, 6 p.m. Eastern time. So, I think most likely what's going to happen, I think we're gonna get another retest of the 32.5 level. That'll fill the CME. That'll be a higher daily close. It'll also test the 21 EMA on the daily. So, it's the weekend, and usually the weekend is like to, mess up with the traders, pump, and then by the time the CME opens, come back to that level. But let's see what happens this time, because there has been a lot of buying since we came all the way to the 29.2 level. Let's talk about the entities net growth. So basically, back in 2013, there was, well, actually from 2011 to 2013, there was I think it was a 3.5 increase. Let's do the math real quick. Let me put the calculator so you guys can see. So 6423 divided by 1819, it was a 3.53x increase in the entity's net growth in Bitcoin. From 2013 to 2017, there was a 6.38x increase. And so far, from 2017 to 2021, there has only been a 1.1496x increase, which means, usually when Bitcoin puts in a top, usually also the entity's net growth does more than the previous level, which, in my opinion, since we have been growing at around the 3.5x level, if we do, let's see, what was the number again? 4992. So, okay, not this one. 4992 divided by 6423, a 6.38 level. So if we add just around 3.5, it'll be a 9.88. Where will that put us? Well, let's see. 4992. That'll be 405 if we divide that by 4992. Yeah, so it'll be around 405,000 entities net growth. Let's see where that number puts us. But that's just another level indicating that the top is not in yet. Let's go to the stable coins. So there is a lot of stable coins in exchanges that haven't bought in any crypto, most precisely Bitcoin. If you take a look over here, when we've been trending down, we started going down every time we started when the stable coins have been going down. When the stable coins go up, it means they're putting their money into Bitcoin, and you can tell when we had this rise how the stable coins were also rising because they were putting it back into Bitcoin. Right now, since we've been going down, also the stable coins have been going down. Therefore, there is a lot of money on the sidelines waiting to get back in. And I believe once the stablecoin ratio goes back up, we're gonna see Bitcoin go up and put in, an all-time high, a new all-time high, because I don't think the $65,000 level was the all-time high for this bull market cycle. If you have seen my previous videos, my target for the cycle that we're currently in, it's around the 135,000 level. I'll show you more at the end of the live stream. Also, the RSI, this was before, we had a breakout of the RSI on the daily. We've been on a 7-month resistant, just making lower highs after lower highs after lower highs. We finally broke it. If we go back to my Twitter account, I posted it 22 hours ago, how the RSI closed out of a 7-month resistance. This is how it looked yesterday. So we finally broke that resistance. So hopefully we come back and test it and then find support, and then we could shoot up and, like I was saying, 42,000 in play for the next 2 weeks. Let's see. Um, Make sure to follow me in Twitter. Usually I post live updates instead of you guys waiting for my video. I think it's better to follow me on Twitter because, as you can see, I've been posting targets for the falling wedge. I also posted how, there was this account that posted that Bitcoin at 134,000 by December 19. If this pattern repeats, basically. So he was saying 134 back in June 27, 2021. There's a Discord that I'm in, and I was telling them that I had came to the conclusion that we will be reaching a top around the 135,000 level for this top. I was just going from back in 2013 how it played out, and the second cycle top for 2013, as there was two cycle tops. The second one, it did go over the 1.618, but we didn't close above it. And then I took the same fib and I placed it on the current cycle, and the 1.618 is around the 135,000 level. Therefore, I was telling my Discord crew that, my prediction is that we're going to hit the 135,000 level and we're not going to close a weekly candle above it. Yeah, it might go, above 135,000, but what matters is going to be the weekly close. So let's see how it plays out. Let me know if you guys are interested in joining the Discord. Usually in the Discord, there's people that we talk. We talked about the entity's net growth, and it's a good place to be to talk. But let me know if you guys are interested in joining. I may put a invite link on my next video. But yeah, let's see how this weekly closes, and let's see if the bottom is in. There has been, like a triple bottom, you could say. And let's see, if we can maintain above the 618 when it comes to weekly closes. And also let's see if we don't come below the blue box. But yeah, that's all I basically wanted to talk about. Let me know if you guys enjoy the live streams instead of the videos. And I might do some more live streams going forward. And also let me know if you guys are interested in joining the Discord. And don't forget to hit the like. It helps the YouTube algorithm so more people can see the video. And yeah, so I'll see you guys on the next one right here in the Ninja Cave. So hope you guys are having a wonderful day in whatever you guys are doing. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you on the next one. See you.